everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. How'd she do that? Stay tuned. Hey y'all, I'm back really quickly to answer how'd she do that. So in a recent video, I made this gorgeous box, and I only focused on the box, but several of you wanted to know, how can I get a flower like that? I'm going to show you a quick and easy way. So here's a closer look at the box and that beautiful flower. Very, very easy to do, and I'm going to show you how to do it without actually using any more supplies than you probably already have. So when I was playing around with the digital papers, making this and making that, I had some scraps left over. The scraps are absolutely gorgeous, and I thought, well, wouldn't it be nice if I made some flowers that match these flowers? But if you don't have access to a cutting machine, you might want to get the same look, and it's easy to do. We're just going to use some detailing scissors, and detailing scissors are just a fine tip scissor that's going to get in really closely to cut out whatever it is you want to cut. So what I'm doing, I'm just going to go ahead and just cut out some of this, get it out of the way. So all I'm doing is just going around and cutting out pieces of the flower, and then I just build up a flower that I like. So this is how I got my flower. So I might not like this square edge here, but I'm going to go ahead and keep it for right now, but I'm going to trim away the white, and I'll leave that as it is. So then I'll just go in and do it again. So if you have larger flowers or smaller flowers, you can do it with that as well. And you don't even have to use scrap if you don't want to. If you have some favorite paper that has some really beautiful images on it, or flowers that you like and you want that on your project, just to give your finished product that more cohesive look, go ahead and do something like this. Use the paper as part of the embellishment. So there's flower number 2, and what I would do is I would take these and lay them down to see if I'm getting a shape that I want, and I might need to cut out some more. I'm going to cut out this little baby one, and we're going to see if we can create a nice little flower. And you can see that it's not taking me long to do this. And if you happen to be watching TV or in the car as a passenger, you can do things like this anywhere. Okay, so now that I have these, I'm going to see what I can make work. So I'm going to take this and just cut this piece off. And then I'll take this and cut this piece off. And let's see. You're able to see by taking a few pieces, I can take this and put it together and have a very passable little flower. So I'm going to take some glue and put that glue right there, and then I can just shape that a little bit. I'm going to go in here and just trim out a little bit of that. And we can build on this as much as we like. So I'm going to take this scrap, and really quickly I'm going to cut out yet another layer to this, because I really want, especially if you're new, I really want you to see that we don't have to go out and buy a whole bunch of machines or ephemera pieces if you don't want. If you've got some favorite paper, why not take that favorite paper and make that paper work for you in a whole bunch of different ways. So I am just going to get this one cut out. We're going to take this one, put it on like that. And so I'm just going to grab this piece and we'll cut out really quickly another section. And some of you might say, why are you doing this? I can buy this a whole lot quicker than just going through all of this trouble. And that's true, you can. But you won't be able to buy it to match your project because we're using project pieces for this. So you can see now that I have a beautiful layer of flowers and they're of different sizes. So at this point, I'm just going to take some glue with that in place and place it down. And then I'll take some glue right there and place that down. And now I have another blue poinsettia that if I wanted to, I can take it and place it on this box, or I can just make up a whole bunch of these, pull them out whenever I want. And you were able to see just how easy that was. And then you can take some little gems and place them in the center. So y'all, how did she do that? That's how she did it. And you know what? Back in the day, I used to be obsessed with Billie Holiday, and I'd wear these huge flowers in my hair. So what do you think? Can I make that work? I don't know if I can, but a few decades ago, y'all, I would have done it. So I hope that you have enjoyed this very quick "How did she do that?" video. If you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.